Busy Shopify store owners, when you need to raise your prices and you're worried about losing customers, how to communicate your value? Give me the next 4 minutes and I'll show you how to use email marketing to explain price increases in a way that keeps your customers on board. But before we dive in, I want to let you in on something special. I've put together an exclusive 5-minute Loom video that reveals 3 specific changes you can make to your emails today that will help you get repeat buyers. If you want to get your hands on this video, just comment ATM below and I'll make sure it gets sent over to you. For those of you who don't know me yet, my name is Vivian Ze and I'm the founder of ecomretention.com. I've helped ecom stores go from $2,000 to as high as $25,000 in monthly recurring revenues in 30 days MRR with email marketing. Price increases are inevitable, especially in today's markets, where costs for raw materials, labor, and shipping are constantly fluctuating. However, one of the biggest challenges I see is when store owners raise their prices without clearly communicating the added value to their customers. I can't tell you how many times I've received emails from anxious business owners concerned that they'll lose business as a result of a price hike. The common thread: they're raising prices but not explaining why, leaving customers feel alienated and frustrated. It's natural to worry about how your customers will react, but here's a free piece of advice. If you need to raise your prices, use email marketing to tell a story about the value behind the price increase. This isn't just about justifying the change, it's about helping your customers understand the benefits they're gaining. The number one piece of advice I have for you is to communicate the reasons for the price change clearly and effectively through your emails. Whether it's improved product quality, new features, or ethical sourcing, your customers need to understand the benefits they're getting for the high price. Think about it from their perspective. If they don't know what's driving the increase, it just looks like you're asking them to pay more for the same thing. That's why it's so crucial to take the time to craft a message that highlights the improvements and added value. You might be thinking, but how do I craft this message without sounding defensive? Well, you're not alone. Many e-com store owners struggle with finding the right tone for this sensitive topic. It's a fine line to walk. On one hand, you don't want to come across as apologetic, but on the other hand, you want to avoid sounding like you're justifying your prices out of the blue. The key is to strike a balance between being transparent, confident, and customer-focused. Instead of just announcing a price hike, take the time to explain the improvements that have led to the change. Use your emails to showcase the added value, and your customers will more likely to accept and even appreciate the increase. For instance, if you've changed to higher quality materials or adopted more sustainable practices, don't shy away from sharing those details. Make your customers feel like they're part of the journey and that their loyalty is being rewarded with better products or services. And remember the 5-minute Loom video that I mentioned to you before? In that 5-minute Loom video, I will show you 3 powerful changes you can make to your emails that will help you increase your repeat buyers. Just drop the comment below ATM and I'll get that sent right over to you.